This video is sponsored by the award-winning Daily Market Movements trading platform. To open a live or demo account, simply visit dmmtradingplatform.com. Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the S&P 500 futures chart. Just before I start today's video, anyone who's interested in joining my free analysis group over on Telegram, then please do not hesitate to scan this QR code on your screen. But let's start here by having a look at the US 500, the S&P 500, currently trading down at 3,752, and this is largely due to yesterday's big declines of roughly 2%, and this is largely happening due to, well, you could argue it could be down to the midterm result being slightly worse than expected, with the Democrats coming out a lot stronger than what analysts were anticipating. And then of course we've had a lot of noise over in the crypto market with FTX going under. That's, you know, it's kind of like the Lehman moment over in the crypto market. So of course that's caused some large volatility as big hedge funds over on Wall Street have big stakes in FTX, so slightly worrying times. But let's just focus on the S&P 500. Of course, today it is CPI Thursday, so we get that inflation reading, that very important inflation reading, and I feel like that's going to dictate where this market trades for the next 2 to 3 weeks, because after today we don't really have much data until pretty much the jobs number or the Fed minutes next month. So I really do believe that this is going to have a big effect on where this market trades next. The implied volatility after the CPI reading comes out is 2%. So let's just quickly have a look where the market could potentially trade down to. Let's say if we fell 2%, it would take us below that 0.23 fib area and takes us just below 3,700. But if the number comes in a lot softer than expected, we could see a move all the way up to 3,830. So pretty much back to the swing highs yesterday, and pairing all of the losses that occurred during yesterday's trading session. So that takes us just up to around that 50-day EMA. So it's going to be very interesting to see what inflation is. Honestly, I do not have a clue whether it's going to be stronger or weaker. I've heard so many mixed point of views going into this reading. You know, you had like energy prices coming down significantly, but then on the flip side, you had food prices go up, you've had home prices go up, and rentals, etc. There's so many different sectors within the inflation story that have completely different stories. You know, you have some sectors that are really high right now and others that have cooled off a lot. So it's going to be very interesting to kind of read through the data, see what's hot, see what's cooled off, and go from there. But expect volatility, guys. You know, as I said, I don't have a crystal ball. I'm not able to tell you what that result is going to be, but those are your target areas. It's pretty much 3,820 all the way down to 3,700. I think if we did break below 3,700, you could argue that we're then going to go and retest the lows down at around 3,600. But let's see what happens during today's trading session. But just look, if we breach that 0.382, then I will become a buyer. If we breach the 0.236, then I might become a short-term shorter. So there are definitely going to be money-making opportunities for this market.